Oh, she finally smiled back. Yo, you know.
What is up? What is up? It's your boy, Danny British. The big range, yeah. Yeah. See the British, yeah. So now I have new brakes. Yeah, man. New brake on the range. New routers. You see the routers, them look? Yeah, man. New routers, new brake. New brake pads. All four new router, new brake pads, all four, yeah, all four, yeah man, shiny stuff, all four. Engine oil change, oil filter change, cabin filter change, fully serviced, fully serviced, the chuck. So my truck dirty. Yeah, I need to go get the tire them put on this. I told them I go get the tire them put on my truck. You see me there, that's the chrome wheels them. Summertime tires have to go on, you know. I rainy tires them, you know. When the other tire went damaged, we use them a tire as in an interim. Because look, you know, put it. See my truck dirty. Put it. Yeah, man, I put my vehicle them to use. Put my vehicles to use. Go fly and be a fly dead man. Ew, that's disgusting. Damn, son, where'd you find this? Yeah, British. And your girl, Jella Brits. That's right. And we're outside. You know, so I just come outside. And I spend 1,200 for the break them on that. And then me spend call it say 1,000 to replace the two on that. So that at 2,200. And yesterday me send a 5 bills. Okay, a family member. Me send them 500 US. So that how much? At 2,700. 2,700 and I put 100 pound gas. That are 2,800 and 100 in this pound gas. That are 2 times, so 28, 29, 3,000. 3,000. And then we can tell about my insurance, phone bills and my other bills them. And that are the month. That I tell you. So yeah. So you see me in a $300 blood clot being here. You see me now. $800 Burberry Burberry sweatsuit. It's because I can't afford. Yeah. I'm not live above my means either. Some people live above their means all of phone now. Some people live above their means, you know. Blood clot, I don't know. It's like I don't smoke on the curve. Stanton porn star. Right now. Yeah. Enough of them out there wish bad for me. Want see me lose my blessing. But a jaggy me. Swear to God, me trust my friends over my family. You the one to know my own mother handle me. I just create the man that you see. Get a youth, stay focused on your dreams. I never fall further than your knees. Working for the visit from the bees pitch for me, left the rich for me, yeah. The bees pitch for me, and left the rich for me. Bumbo clamor, yeah. Do what me, I do that. We get what me forget. Hustle for me money, car, hustle me happy. Oh, that's right. Yeah, but I drop a rascal mansion up there, so me say, yo. The man mansion is an inspiration to blood clot. Could the man mansion for the hilltop, man? Blood clot, no neighbors. No man, coming from the ghetto, check your situation. Bumbo clot, bumbo clot, bumbo clot. Hustle, all down, oh God. Happiness and joy are the plan. Yeah, never let them catch you doing wrong. Who is me? Everybody asking, who is me? Bumbucklad, easy. Who is me? Well, Danny British, driving Audis, couldn't drive Jeep, too cheap. Burberry's on me, clocks on feet like a London street in the seat. 400-pound OG, ship it from the west, delivered in the east. Yo, everywhere me go, you know me keep my thugs them with me. That's right, she get it. That's right. That's right. That's right. Watch out, no man. Me a touching at the place, money up is spent. Red, white, boot me up, no need supplicant. I did not grow with them, so I don't fuck with them. Walk around 5 G's and I'm such a pop. Burberry 590, me pay for that. 190, me pay for the Burbs hard. What we soap, we can't cool right now. Can't lose right now. Me cherish me pilot.
Tell him to touch the island.
Me say IMAPs.
Load up Pro Tools, dog. Where's the island? Boss village, I make me go trade the crypto.
How that girl there move up her hips up
You can't catch you when exposed
to Calypso. Or maybe she grew up on dancehall. All the dance know him really want her. Ace of Spade me pop, bubbly. Every girl look so lovely. Yeah. Licks off the hit, money off the make. Yeah.
take a boy like
That take a sec, yeah. One phone call and just a text. Prime time news, him a make, yeah. That's right. Real life.
British, you see?
You see? Oh me. Oh me. Yeah.
Oh me.
Tell them this. Bumbucklad, oh me. You done. Danny British. Yeah.
One night me I watch ya. Tonight's unique girl, soul seek girl, love seekers. Rest the my mystery and let's just live just a little bit. That I am
Live just a little bit.
drink wine and live just a little bit. And oh baby, what's up? One night me I watch ya. My girl,
Oh, you hot so. Oh, she hot so. Oh, she hot.
what's up, baby? What's up?
One night me I watch ya.
My girl,
Oh, you hot so. Oh, you hot so. Oh, you hot so. Baby, you hot so.
well, I be a watch ya. By the bar in a little red dress, curly hair, diamond necklace, ambulance,
Next man break next.
shake up our body and a grab up our breast.
In a little bit.
Spaceship taking us far.
In a little bit.
Let's go back to my car.
In a little bit.
Party like a rock star.
In a little bit.
Shampoo party shampoo.
My girl, oh, you hot so. Oh, you hot so. Oh, you hot so. Baby, hot so. Oh, right, me, I watch ya.
My girl,
Yeah.
hot so.
Oh, she hot so. Oh, she hot so. Baby.
Hot so.
All night, me, I watch ya. Yeah. Baby. Chatter, chatter. Them love to talk. Watch out in blood splatter. Oh Lord, Lord. Watch it make me murder them. Swear to God, me I go murder them. Boy claim say them a shatter. One bag of chatter, chatter, chatter. Watch me and the fuck of them. Watch how in blood splatter. Oh, hear me now. Watch me I go murder them.
Swear to God, me a go murder them.
All the dope talking him a make never kill nobody yet. A girl them a send trade to impress. But when them rifle ya select, boy, I get arrested. And we no get arrested.
Police can't catch them boy, they
Can't guard them bed
find them gal
and circle them ends.
drive by shooting when the Benz pull up on them black and red ends.
Boy claim say them a shatter. Alright then,
One bag of chatter, chatter, chatter.
we'll see about that.
Watch how him blood splatter.
I swear to God, Danny British, we get up and go murder them. Me, we go murder them. Me say me love all the girls, them. Oh, me adore them. The girl them, 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 me love them. Me say me love all the girls, them. Yo, me say me love them. Me say the girls, them. I'm a world, them. Take me money and treat them. No violence, we go beat them. Bumbucklad, we abuse them. The girls, them. I'm a world, them. Use the money and treat them. Use me dress the expensive design. Oh God, baby, me need a minute of your time. Me need a minute, yeah, baby. Me say, girl, me need a minute. Need it, baby, one, breathe it. Yeah, baby. Like my minute. Erase the bad memories. Crystal stone bring the good energy. My master believe in me like Jesus Christ, and please don't leave. Baby, a minute of your time, that is all I need. Just a minute, pretty please. A minute of your time, that is all I need, baby. Just a minute, pretty baby, minute, pretty lady. Can I have a minute? I love her, put no one above her. Yeah, baby. Just 1 minute. Your time me not go waste, girl. Me just want to spend mine with you. Want to be committed, I know you want commitment. Come in my life, make me show you what love can do. Love and loyalty, girl, that's all I have for you. Minute of your time, that is all I need. Just a minute, pretty please. Minute of your time, that is all I need. Pretty baby. Just 1 minute. I love her, put no one above her. Yeah. Just 1 minute. I'm searching for happiness. Bumper clot, and it comes with stress, and they don't know. Comes with stress, and they don't know. Comes with stress. I'm searching for happiness, happiness. Yeah. Alright. Time to load up them wheel at the back. 4. Time to put on back them wheel, you know. Now, this done. As you can see, this done. This one done. Same way, them they are rear wheel. And because the truck is a rear wheel drive, you ain't get stuck. And me, arrogantly, they try to pull it out by just tip on the gas, burn out the whole of my tire. So now I go, them are good. So them one they know. That I go weird because this I go have like a red dirt stain look. And then the 2 new one them going to have like a black look. Interesting. The grass there them I know. The Mary 2 was still good. And then them I know. The bad one them know there. This one is the worst one. Look at this house all ass. Tried everything. Damn son. Yeah. I just go to lift this. Into the back of my truck. And I say fuck that. I not work like no blood clot hard man. I will work like this smart man. You know what I say? This thing have one hand control. Three more figure you know. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. So here the tires them so damn big. They take up a whole bed of the truck. Rascal. So now me set this we hold on that and this we hold on this. And then I go zip down now. Yeah. Everything zip down you know. So yeah. Folks live outside. I deal with business like a true man. You see what I'm saying? A you man. So I'm there now. Have a truck drop off and all for the wheels them get fitted, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, big unit. Wheels them gonna get fitted. Wheels them in about that. Yeah. Yeah, so beautiful. Me say I could have drop asleep right on the bench, you know? I wonder if people that think me homeless. I would have drop asleep right there, so nobody probably wouldn't trouble me, you know? I swear. So I man think that I did have to change only blood clot, only 2 tire. 3 tire I have to change because one of the tire them now you have a choppy night. Papa said that not safe. But it have more than 50% or about 50% of the life, so we get back tire warranty and that fee go with the tire. So I just have to go and work for the best. Man. So now I end up spend about 3,500 in a one day. My blood clot, I need a cigarette. I good things so I have money, oh God. Yeah. See it there. Yeah. Brand new tire them back up on my truck. The truck up again, it just need to go wash now. The truck just need to go wash now. The truck just need to wash now, man.
Ivy, baby girl.
It's your boy Danny British. Yeah. I'm on the road now. And we say, yo, let's go to dinner. So we just go make a stop, you see me? Dirty same way. Dirty same way that me I tell you. Go get some grub. Yeah. Hey, look. Look. Say hey. Say hey. Yeah, ready to eat with Dada. Ready to eat with Dada. Come here.
Say hey.
Okay.
Oh, she finally smiled back. Yo, you know.
Didn't it look different last time?
Was more like little crabs. Remember? Little octopus. Yes, that is that. Yeah. Oh my God. Private dining, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, Mama, go on.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Of course. Thank you.
Thank you. See, oh, she was waving.
You do
You
wave
gonna
back?
wave again? Wave back. You wave. Oh, you smiling?
Mm-hmm.